Yes, hello everyone. Today we are tackling to a critical issue that can affect our planet and our future. It is the plastic pollution. Every year we use 300 million tons of plastic and a struggling amount of it ends up going into the oceans, lakes and rivers and landscapes. This plastic waste not only harms the marine life but also affects the human ecosystem. This plastic waste not only harms the marine life and wildlife but also affects the ecosystem and the land causes areas. It also causes human life. The reality is that the plastic can take hundreds of years to decompose and break down, and it leaves a lasting impact on the environment and the life of the people. Next topic is what are biodegradable materials. Biodegradable materials are the substances that can break through the naturally and action of living organisms like bacteria, fungi and algae. Hundreds of years biodegradable materials take to decompose, and natural elements like water, carbon dioxide and biomass within a much shorter time frame. Next topic is what are the types of biodegradable materials. Now that what we have explored is that biodegradable material, but let's explore the different types of biodegradable materials, which are natural polymers, synthetic biodegradable polymers and the emerging materials in biodegradable polymers.
This is Amanjeet Kaur. I am talking about application of biodegradable materials. Showcase various applications. First point is packaging. Highlight biodegradable packaging solution for food and consumer product. Second point is agriculture. Discuss biodegradable mulch films and seed coatings. Third point is medical use. Biodegradable such as drugs, capsule and implants. So fourth point is consumer product. Mention biodegradable personal care items and textiles. Advantage of biodegradable materials. Mention consumer demand for eco-friendly product. Discuss the environmental benefits such as reduce plastic waste and pollutions. Challenges and limitations. Higher production compared to traditionals, performance limitation in certain applications, the need for consumer awareness and regulatory support.
The future of biodegradable materials look promises as technologies, and we can expect new types of biodegradable plastics that not only break down more easily but also have benefits like being antimicrobial. As conclusion will play a bigger role in reducing plastics, promoting sustainability. Emerging trends are, first point is enhanced biodegradability. The research is focused on improving how quickly biodegradable plastic getting multifunctional properties. Future biodegradable plastics may have additional features such as antibiotical properties for medical uses and UV resistance and outdoor applications. Third point is integration with circular with models. Biodegradable plastics are being incorporated and a system that promotes reuse and recycling. In conclusion, the advancements in biodegradable offers us a hopeful path towards a more sustainable future as we continue to innovate and improve these materials. We can reduce our reliance on traditional plastics and lessen the impact of waste our environment. With growing consumers awareness and supportive policies and collaborations across the industries, biodegradable options becoming more accessible and effective by choosing biodegradable materials like we can play a part in protective our planet for future generations. Together we can positive change and create a cleaner and greener world. Thank you.